Introducing the 2008 GMC Envoy. With fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include cruise control, front and rear reading lights, front and rear cup holders, one-touch window functionality, front dual-zone air conditioning, fully automatic headlights, a trailer hitch, and a split folding rear seat. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including traction control, a panic alarm, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.